What, why, and how? 7 surprising strategies to build wealth without a high-paying job. Are you struggling to build wealth on a modest salary? You're not alone. But the good news is that you don't need a high-paying job to achieve financial independence. In fact, there are 7 surprising strategies you can use to build wealth even on a modest income. Stick around to find out how. Strategy 1. Cut expenses and save more. 1. The first strategy to building wealth is to cut expenses and save more money. 2. Start by creating a budget and identifying areas where you can reduce spending. 3. Consider downsizing your living space, buying used instead of new, and avoiding expensive subscriptions. 4. The money you save can be put towards investments or used to pay down debt. Strategy 2. Pay down debt aggressively. 1. High-interest debt can be a major obstacle to building wealth, so it's important to pay it down aggressively. 2. Start by focusing on the debt with the highest interest rate, such as credit card debt. 3. Consider using the snowball method, where you pay off your smallest debts first to gain momentum. 4. The sooner you can pay off your debt, the more money you'll have available for saving and investing. Strategy 3. Take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts. 1. One of the most powerful tools for building wealth is tax-advantaged accounts. 2. These accounts allow you to save and invest money while deferring or avoiding taxes. 3. Be sure to take advantage of any matching contributions offered by your employer. 4. If you don't have access to an employer-sponsored plan, consider opening a new one. Strategy 4. Invest in low-cost index funds. 1. Investing in the stock market is one of the best ways to build long-term wealth. 2. Instead of trying to pick individual stocks, consider investing in low-cost index funds. 3. These funds offer broad exposure to the market and have lower fees than actively managed funds. 4. Over time, your investments will compound and grow, helping you to build wealth even on a modest salary. Strategy 5. Start a side hustle. 1. Another strategy to build wealth is to start a side hustle or freelance business. 2. Consider leveraging your skills or hobbies to earn extra money. 3. You can use this money to invest, pay down debt, or build an emergency fund. 4. Over time, your side hustle may even turn into a full-time business that generates significant income. Strategy 6. Build multiple streams of income. 1. Building multiple streams of income is a key strategy for building wealth over time. 2. Consider investing in rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, or starting a business. 3. Diversifying your income streams can help you weather financial downturns and build wealth more quickly. 4. Just be sure to do your research and invest wisely to minimize risk. Strategy 7. Focus on your earning potential. 1. While you may not have a high-paying job right now, it's important to focus on your earning potential over time. 2. Consider pursuing education or training that can increase your skills and qualifications. 3. Look for opportunities to take on additional responsibilities or projects at work. 4. By increasing your earning potential, you can build wealth more quickly and achieve financial independence. Conclusion. So there you have it. 7 surprising strategies for building wealth without a high-paying job. Remember, building wealth is a long-term process that requires patience and discipline, but with the right strategies in place, anyone can achieve financial independence. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.